So when you're painting landscapes and you're dealing with lots of natural greens instead of bright greens, you actually often may be better off using the umbers, if you have them, to mix your green instead of a yellow. So if I take yellow and make green, I'm going to get a neon green. And there's places in nature where I'm going to use a green that's this bright. Springtime leaves, when the sun is directly hitting them, is going to be in that ballpark. But most of my greens are not. So if I start with raw umber, and add blue to that.
You can make dark green.
I'm going to get, as my daughter suggests, a more muted green. This has a little bit too much blue in it for what I was thinking of.
But they like so much blue.
Thank you, Zoe. I'm going to add a little bit more umber to that. And this is more like the greens that we see in nature. Let's look at raw umber. Basically what's happening is because these browns they have yellow in them, that's what's making the green, but because they've got brown, really what they have is low intensity orange, and so we are lowering the intensity while making green all at the same time.
Oh, see green. Dark green! Really dark green.
Yep.
You made light green and you made dark green. You made both light green and dark green. What do you need to paint for?
I'm gonna be painting. Is that okay?
But
So if I need something in the middle, I might start with yellow and raw umber. And my blue.
Is that very pink?
Huh?
Is that very pink?
Well, this is just where I'm making the colors I'm going to use in my painting. So,
But when are you doing the pink?
after I finish mixing colors. If you don't have the umbers, but you have some kind of brown, I would probably start with the yellow and blue and then add the brown to it to try to get some of those effects. If you don't have that, then you can get it with just your red, blue, and yellow, but it will take a little bit more experimenting.